You right, guys? So I finally got my S15 and I'm going to show you it because it's been about 2 weeks in the making and I still haven't bothered, and I've already done something to the car, so I'm going to finally show you, and then we'll go through it and go over everything. So here it is. Looks a beast. I'll try to get it from all angles. Hey Dad, do you want to get my key? It's pretty sick. Definitely everything I expected for the car. Look at them, they're 17s. I don't know what they are. If it says some dodgy thing. It suits the car though with how it is. On the inside. Oh, lock me in. And then you got the base of it. I did have a stereo in there. Let's put a light on. Yeah, I did have a stereo from Japan, but it got taken out. And on my framing here has been smashed. I've got it down here actually. Yeah, they took the stereo out but ripped all that, so I need a new one of them. But tidied everything up that we had and it's good. But it's very, in the back there, but it's very tidy. At the minute we're just sorting a fog light out because the guy came in a fog light. And that's the rear. Just forget about that there. That little thing, that's only on there to pass MOT. And that's it. But no, it looks great. I really do like it. I'll just show you under the engine. Big slop. It's a beast. Honestly, you get a right angle on this. It's awesome. So at the minute we're in the middle of wiring up my lights, so I've got a bit of wires there hanging out. So I just torch so you can see better. So completely stock SR20. It's a DET. It's a 250 brake model. So obviously it's a Sylvia spec R. And it's got blow off valve down there, and it's got a catback exhaust. That is it. But instead of everything else, it's bone stock. But yeah, like I said, that's the car. I think it's really good. I've given it a full clean, everything like that. So full wash, polish, sealant, wax, done everything to it to keep the paint wet. But for 18 years old, it's perfect. It's bang on. Just the look of it, like it's just completely different to all the rest. That's spot on. Just aggressive as well. But like on the inside we've got there is a big screen coming here. It's a Pioneer, I believe, and even with these, look, you get the boost gauge. I think I've got the keys. I can't start it up because my battery keeps going dead because I haven't driven it yet. You've got your lights over there. Everything works exactly how it should. But yeah, what more can I say? There's a lot of things to come. And just at the minute, I'm just waiting on my Nova confirmation to come through. When that comes through, I can then send off my forms to DVLA, get the car registered, and then I'm good to go. Got about max 2 weeks, so it might be about a week and a half, a week from the point you see this video. But until then, I'll obviously have just an install of my head unit and just showing you how easy it is. But the car in its spec, I say it's got the blow off valve, it's got the catback exhaust, and it's got coilovers, it's got upgraded coilovers. I'll show you. Get my phone out. So, I'll show you. Underneath, you can see, obviously got the exhaust. And that's the rear, then the front. You can really see. Got them. See better there. And that's it. That's all there is. So everything else is stock and the wheels. I think the wheel suits the colour, so I might be keeping the gold. I think it does work. It's something different instead of like black, but I don't know. I might go to black anyway. But yeah, guys, finally got the S15. Pumped, can't wait to drive it because it's sat here not getting used. Not long, and then we'll be on the road. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers guys, peace.